The Battle of Leyte Gulf was the largest naval battle of World War II and by some criteria the largest naval battle in history, with over 200,000 naval personnel involved. It was fought in waters near the Philippine islands of Leyte, Samar, and Luzon from 23 to October 26, 1944 between combined American and Australian forces and the Imperial Japanese Navy, IJN, as part of the invasion of Leyte, which aimed to isolate Japan from the countries that it had occupied in Southeast Asia, a vital source of industrial and oil supplies. By the time of the battle, Japan had fewer capital ships, aircraft carriers, and battleships left than the Allied forces had total aircraft carriers, which underscored the disparity in force strength at that point in the war. 7-page needed. Regardless, the IJN mobilized nearly all of its remaining major naval vessels in an attempt to defeat the Allied invasion, but it was repulsed by the U.S. Navy's 3rd and 7th Fleets. The battle consisted of 4 main separate engagements: the Battle of the Sibuyan Sea, the Battle of Surigao Strait, the Battle off Cape Engano, and the Battle off Samar, as well as lesser actions. It was the first battle in which Japanese aircraft carried out organized kamikaze attacks, and it was the last naval battle between battleships in history. 9-10-page needed. The Japanese Navy suffered heavy losses and never sailed in comparable force thereafter, since it was stranded for lack of fuel in their bases for the rest of the war, and so it could not affect the successful Allied invasion of Leyte.